Assalamualaikum and a very good day to our lecturer, Dr. Nur Hashimah binti Ahmad Zamri. Today, I am honored to present to you and also behalf of my group about our chosen topic, which is the timber preservation process. We hope this presentation will give a clear understanding to you of how timber can be protected and maintained to ensure its strength, durability, and sustainability. So here, I would like to introduce our group members of this project. And the first one is Luqman Hakimi. The second one is Wan Amshah. And last also is me, Ayman Ashraf. So the first slide, I will present about a definition of timber preservation. And as you can see in this slide, timber preservation is the process of treating wood using chemicals or other protective methods to make it last longer. This treatment is important because timber, if left unprotected, can be damaged over time by various natural threats such as decay, termites, fungi, moisture, and other environmental conditions. And these threats can weaken the timber and reduce its strength, making it unsafe and unusable, especially in construction or outdoor environments. That's why preserving timber is very important, particularly when it's used in places that are exposed to the weather, water, or insects. And the main goal of timber preservation is to extend the life and maintain the quality of the wood. This not only ensures safety and strength but also helps to save costs by reducing the need for repairs and replacement. In simple terms, timber preservation means protecting the wood so it remains strong, durable, and useful for a longer period time. So the next slide is objective. And the main objectives of timber preservation are to protect the wood and extend its useful life. And as you can see in this slide, first, it helps to prevent decay and rot caused by moisture and fungi. Second, it protects against insect attacks, especially termites. And third, it increases the durability and lifespan of the wood, making it suitable for long-term use. And fourth, it helps maintain the structural strength of timber in building and outdoor structures. Timber preservation also helps to reduce maintenance and replacement costs, which save time and money. Additionally, it helps to preserve natural resources by reducing the need for fresh timber. And in some cases, it can improve fire resistance depending on the treatment used. Overall, these objectives make timber safer, stronger, and more sustainable for various use.
Hello everyone. Today I will be presenting a brief but informative overview of the different types of timber preservative, focusing on their functions, compositions, and applications in protecting timber from deterioration. Timber, although a natural material and versatile materials, is prone to decay, insect attack, and fungal growth. That's why applying preservative is essential, especially in outdoor in humid conditions. Now, I will explain 5 types of timber preservative. They have a ASCU treatment, coal tar, solid paint, chemical salt, and lastly, oil paints. Now, I will explain the first type of timber preservation, which is ASU treatment. ASU treatment is the one of method to protect a timber from insect and fungal damage. The term ASCU stands for A. Arsenic, S. Salt, C. Copper, and lastly U. Chromium. Each of these elements play as a key role in enhancing timber resistance. Arsenic acts as a powerful insecticide. Copper protects against fungi. Chromium improves fixation of the chemical in the wood. And lastly, salt acts as a carrier. ASU treatment is commonly applied through pressure treatment in the wood that have some effective for structured timbers that use for outdoor and next we have Corta. Corta is a thick, dark and sticky liquid which is obtained as a byproduct during the destructive distillation of coal. It is widely used as a protective coating, especially for underground or underwater timber structures because of its high water resistance and durability. Once applied, it creates a strong barrier that shields timber from moisture, insect, and other form of the decay. However, due to its strong odor and toxicity, its use is now more regulated and has decreased in favor of more eco-friendly options. Now, let's talk about Solidum paint. Solidum is a branded wood preservative paint that protect timber from termites, fungal growth, and weathering. It is commonly applied with a brush or spray and penetrates deeply into the wood fiber. It not only provides chemical protection but also adds the decorative finish. This makes it ideal in both indoor and outdoor use. And exposed beam. It is of application and aesthetic value are key advantages of using Solidum-based preservative.
Assalamualaikum everyone. Today, I will be presenting about types of timber preservative, an important topic in construction and material science. Timber, although naturally strong and versatile, is vulnerable to damage caused by moisture, insects, and fungi, and weather. Therefore, preservatives are used to enhance its durability and extend its lifespan. Let's begin with the next type of timber preservative, chemical salts. Chemical salts preservatives are widely used in industrial wood treatment process. These treatments are ideal for timber use in construction, outdoor structures, and damp environments, where moisture poses a major threat to wood integrity. Chemical salts work by penetrating deep into the wood fibers. This treatment is usually done in a pressurized cylinder to ensure maximum absorption. The chemicals such as copper-based compound act as biocides that protect timber from biological threats like termites, beetles, and fungi. This makes them perfect for use in structural frameworks, poles, or fencing that are constantly exposed to the element. Okay, now we move on to the next type, oil paints. Oil-based preservatives function a bit differently. They form a hard water-resistant film on the surface of timber. This protective layer helps prevent water penetration and gives timber a smooth finished appearance. Oil paints are made by mixing drying oils with pigments and resins. The drying oils such as linseed oil or tung oil slowly oxidize and harden after application, sealing the surface of the timber. The pigments and color while the resins improve adhesion and durability. This type of treatment is ideal for aesthetic application. For example, for visible timber structures like wooden furniture, window frames, or decking boards. It not only protects the wood but also enhances its appearance. However, unlike chemical salts, oil paints typically do not penetrate deeply into the wood, so their protection is mainly surface level and may need to be reapplied periodically. In conclusion, timber preservation is a vital process in construction and design. Without proper treatment, timber is prone to rot, decay, and insect attack, especially in outdoor or humid environments. The use of preservative like chemical salts and oil paints help ensure that timber products last longer, perform better, and stay structurally sound. Chemical salts offer deep and long-lasting protections, ideal for heavy-duty applications, while oil paints provide surface protection and a decorative finish. Choosing the right preservative depends on the environment, function, and expected lifespan of the timber being used. Additionally, preserving timber correctly not only saves money and reduces waste, but also supports sustainable building practices by minimizing the need for frequent timber replacement. As future professionals in the industry, understanding this method helps us make smarter and more responsible material choices. Alright, thank you for your attention. I hope this presentation has helped you understand the importance of timber preservative and how different types serve specific function.